got them hanging out here now. I just gotta figure out what to do with them. But I got them disconnected and out. These things are heavy. This one here, it's got some mass to it. A real strong bull of a young man could probably carry this by himself, but that's not me. The other one, I might be able to waddle along with it, you know. But I gotta find somewhere to put it, and once I find somewhere to put them, then I can drag my wife into it, and me and her can get it done. I got an idea, but I don't think it's gonna work. I had an idea. See, the back of them is not flat, so it's flat here, but then it has this step up. I was thinking about putting them back there in my spare room and using them for like a couch, right? Just setting them up just to kind of sit over there against the wall. But if the back was level with the front, I think that would work. There's a piece that swings up on that end. Can't see it, but it supports it, but there's nothing right here because this is where the ledge was, right? I may just list them on Marketplace and say, free, come get them. Make somebody a happy camper. Batteries on charge. Gotta maintain things. So, any of you guys ever listed something popular on Facebook Marketplace? Like this thing for $750. So yeah, so of course that year my old truck had especially the 250 3/4 ton, the F-250 3/4 ton, notoriously came with a 7.3 liter diesel engine that everybody wants. When I listed the thing, I did not list that it come with a gas engine. That one has the 460, the big block V8. That was a mistake. So, as a rule, you'll figure out real quick to put key pieces of information in the listing. If not, you're going to get hammered with the same questions over and over again relentlessly. I had like, I don't know, dude. You can only open 3 messengers at one time on a computer, right? I couldn't type like, so as I was typing a response to one message, another one popped on top of it. They just kept piling them. And it got so bad that I'm having similar conversations with like 50 or 60 different people all within like 20 minutes. Similar conversations. And so my brain is fried at this point. Holy crap, my brain is fried. Yeah, I don't recommend that. I don't recommend that for anybody, man. It's like you hit that button and then you just get hit with tons and tons of messages. So guys, if you're ever shopping on Facebook Marketplace and you send someone a message saying, hey, I'm interested, don't be surprised if you never get a response, or if your response takes like an hour to get back to you, or if the person you're talking to seems like they're mad at the world, because all of those things are real. So in my stash out here, since I've got everything out of the storage shed, this is a 412 box. has a window in the front, has the bow tie. It's all covered in grass. And there's some trim pieces that go up there to cover up parts that you on the top and make it so that all that looks right. There's that white piece right there, that white color piece that goes on the front of this and covers it so the ports are open, and it fits around this and covers up the edges. It looks real nice when it's all set up. But this is the box that was in the back of the Tahoe, and you get an idea. That is some thick stuff right there. Serious business. And this is one solid box, and there's actually another piece that goes on the top of this top. So, well, it's these things to add even more thickness to that. But that's a double layered top, and with the bracing inside. It's pretty cool work on that bracing. The lights are all kind of jacked up right now, but so I was pondering an idea, just pondering, you know, turning this into a sixth order. So if I mounted it, in theory, this part toward the backs of the back seats, this is the front, right? Make this the front top, and then ports firing backward into the chamber, and the chamber coming around. It could be a sixth order, or it could be a series sixth order, or it could be a parallel sixth order where I have subs mounted here, ports firing forward, and then a chamber on top of this with a port firing forward. It would be a parallel six, but there's weird things going on with the tuning. To do that, it would not quite work right unless I lowered the tuning of this box. The box is tuned at like 36. When we built it, you can see the ports. You can see right there, the port ends right there. So I could, in theory, come in here and extend the port down some, but not very much. Actually, I couldn't, because it'd be in the subwoofer, so there ain't really nothing that could be done there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that haven't seen it. This was the sub box that went in the back of my Tahoe when I still had that just a no wall setup. So